Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And today is Amaya Raine Day. And that is the third of each month. Dory's Dollies and I offer a challenge for any Rainbow High or Shadow High doll. We give a theme, and at 10 a.m. Central, everyone uploads their videos so that we can go from one to another to see what each person did for that month's challenges. This month is DIY for Amaya Raine. And what I did is I made her a little purse. And this is how I did it. I'm going to make this little purse for Amaya Raine, and I'm going to use this pleather. I usually use this for shoe soles, but we're going to use it for this little quick sew purse. And here are the numbers R1083-7 for the pattern I'm using. Now, we have a storm coming in, so there could be some shakiness in the film. So if I look fat or if this looks a bit crooked, that's all that is. Somehow it did get a little bit crooked, but that's just your screen. That's not my sewing. I, rather than turn this inside out, I doubled this over like so many human purses truly are made to do her handle. I added a little snap, and as usual, oh, and I meant to say that storm's going to mess up my fingernail polish too. I've been out.
It's going to make me sneeze too.
Been out mowing. I added a snap, and I did a little bit of, you know, these patterns today. They're not made by sewers. They're made by kids that went to college that don't know anything but computers. And it's frustrating. But anyway, I did a little adjusting to the, this is not why. I did a little adjusting to the pattern so that the fold over would actually fold over. And honestly, I'd like for it to come down to about here. But making it work, I cut it from this side. Anyway, and I also took in the gusset. But if you squint, go ahead, squint.
Okay, I'm squinting.
That is a Labubu.
Wait. There. Yep, that looks just like it.
Well, thank you, dear.
You're welcome.
So that is my DIY for my Amaya Raine. And I know some of you are going to ask, so I got a Smart Doll. How would that pattern work for a Smart Doll? Let's just see. It's a little big. It's okay, I guess. It's not too bad. Oh.
Somewhere between a purse and a piece of luggage.
Yeah. How about, what do they call those bags? Attaché or there. Nope. Yeah, it does. You could make it work for a Smart Doll. I would recommend, of course, I'd recommend a lot of things about that pattern. In fact, I'm going to be reworking that pattern altogether, and I might just make a Smart Doll. But I would recommend you took about that much off the side if you were going to do it for a Smart Doll. Thank you for watching. Be sure and go by Dory's channel and every other channel that has a video today. If you personally have a video, would you please leave a note in not only my comments, but every person that has an Amaya Raine DIY video today. Let one another know so that we can get to your channel and see your video too. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel, where sometimes we're kind of funny. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. You mean you were going to say something about funny in more directions than one? Right?
Yeah.
I saw you. I caught you.
Bite my tongue.
That does look like a Labubu. It looks just like a Labubu.
With a little paint pen, you could have made that face white and be perfect.
Oh, you always say I should do more.
Well, no, it's